Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is relative clauses. Relative clauses means the relation of the word between noun and the pronoun. This word comes before noun, like in the sentences in the exercise we will see that she liked the dress that I had gifted. What dress she liked? She liked dress that I had gifted her. The word that is a relative. The second one is we went to their house that has been newly built. The man whose hand was injured has been admitted to the hospital. So who has been admitted to the hospital? The man whose hand. My book which you returned last week is missing. So which book is missing? The my book which you returned last week is missing. Her aunt, who is the head mistress of our school, is very strict. Who is very strict? Her aunt, who is also a headmistress of our school. The clock which broke yesterday has been repaired. So what has been repaired? The clock which has been broken yesterday. So in exercise also the same words are there, sentence are there of the thing exercises. She liked the dress that. Second one is also that. Third one is whose hand, the man whose hand was injured. Fourth one is my book which you returned last week is missing. Her aunt, who is the headmistress of our school, is very strict, and the clock which broke yesterday has been repaired. In this sentence, it is a relative clause where you will see that in each sentence it began with the wrong relative pronoun. We have to identify it and we have to correct the sentence. The money who you gave me is spent already. This relative word is wrong. So what will be the actual word? The money which you. She is the professor which is our new neighbor. This is the relative word, but is the wrong. The correct relative word is who. She is the professor who is our new neighbor. Have you received the mail where I sent you in the morning? This is the wrong word. It will be which. Have you received the mail which I sent you in the morning? I always eat for lunch what I like best. She called the child which had gifted the flower. It will be who. She called the child who had gifted the flower. There is always some hope. Who can cheer us up? It will be there is always some hope which can what can cheer us up. Now we have to join this sentence. How we will join this sentence? With the correct form of relative clauses. The cat caught the mouse. It was running around the house. The cat caught the mouse who was running around the house. The second one, here are your books. I found them on the table. Here are your books which I found on the table. Third one, I know the lady, she is the new coach of the football team. I know the lady who is the new coach of the football team. The man had been accused of theft who was found guilty. The fifth one is the puppy was sick. It has been treated by my friend. The puppy was sick who has been treated by my friend. This is a tall tower. It has 5 stories. It is the tall tower which has 5 stories. Where is my letter? I left it here. Where is my letter which I left here? This is my friend. He recites very well. This is my friend who recites very well. So, now we move to our exercise D. Rewrite the sentences where the relative pronouns can be omitted. We have to omit here. The first sentence is, the girl who was dancing on the stage looked frightened. Just omit this. The girl was dancing on the stage looked frightened. You need to return the books. Cut the that I lent you. You need to return the books I lent you. I cannot find the files I kept on the table. So that's all for today's session. The relative words you have learned that it is the word which are the relation between the noun and the pronoun. The word like who, which, that, these all are the words which relates the noun and the pronoun. So I hope all of you have understand what is the relative clauses. Once again we will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.